This is another galaxy pour tutorial using Pro Resin and our Crystal Edge A mold. In this pour I'm using Liquitex acrylic inks, and my first color is Rubine Red, where I used 5 drops and 1.52 ounces of resin along with 1 drop of carbon black. As you see, it's not really red, it's more of a deep magenta. My second color is Prism Violet. I used 3 drops and 1.18 ounces of resin. That's a nice purple. I then mixed up some red mica, which is pretty deep in color there. I used Quinacridone Magenta, 3 drops and about 1.19 ounces of resin for my push, and then Let's Resin Ocean White pigment paste, 2 drops and 1.35 ounces of resin. You start off by putting your first color, the Rubine Red and Black, on the bottom. You then spiral the second color from inside out and then outside back in, just in thin lines, and take the little excess and dump it in the center. You do the same thing with the mica here, and I have to make a note. I did a galaxy pour in a previous video, number 31, and it turned out great. This one, the red, was synthetic mica, and as you'll see in the end, it changed the whole look of the piece. So, note to self, don't use synthetic mica in the future. After you're done with mica, you put in the white, swirling from inside to out, outside to in, and then taking the little bit left and putting it in the center. And then you take your push and just push quickly into the center again. It opens it up a bit so you can add your glitter. After it's dry and cured, it's time to demold. This turned out great, but as you see, the cells are a lot smaller than our number 31 video. Let us know what you think in the comments below.